got to. It's balance. You need to. It's balance.
Like 5:30 in the morning.
You got
We are on the highway. Jen is driving us. We're headed to Jamaica. Fun. We're heading to Montego.
You got to. It's balance. You need to.
We decide not to walk.
Balance.
Max,
You got
Max.
to.
So I heard that your head is getting cool now, man.
I will. Don't mind if I do. Okay. So yeah, we're chilling. We just got here actually about 30 minutes ago. So we're having something to eat because we didn't really eat all day. We had to get on from one place to the next. You see, we right by the airport. You see. Where is that? Got my coffee and my breakfast. This is my view. It's gonna look crazy, but I'm gonna like have some coffee first, and then thank you. And then I'm gonna have my eggs. Yeah. So see you guys in my next clip.
One of the 14 parishes that made up Jamaica.
Okay.
You are familiar with 50 states. We say 14 parishes. It never sleeps.
This strip here.
Never sleeps. You have the day people, you have the night people, you have the before day people. At night, right here to the right on the roadway here, you would see maybe 30 jerk chicken vendors for the party people, the late night people. And we would hang out alongside here all the way down to where I'm gonna.
Oh,
And
okay.
there's another one off the road there, also run by the Catholic in Conjunction. Drive our cars down here. But before we drive our car, we get the buckets of KFC or whatever we want to eat. They're going on, right?
Yeah.
So many years ago, when inside here, not on the immediate developed part here, but the other sections.
Yeah.
When you hear about crime in Jamaica, on top of it,
That's
right?
the water filter.
It's a water tank. because sometimes we don't have the water constantly in the pipes.
Right.
So it's for storage, eh?
Yeah.
Everybody has one. So inside here that we now have, the government built 301 houses, and all of them were like this. All of them
I like this
were
one.
like this. No gate, just open.
Oh, so
right?
they just build up.
People expand on them into whatever else they
Okay.
become.
Well, these look nice. They're taking care of them.
Yeah, because it's a different project. These people have their title and so forth, so they can always borrow money from the bank
Yeah.
and so forth. Yeah? Yeah, so it's a different setting inside here. All of them were small until they do what they do to them.
What
The
please?
rent inside here for a 2-bedroom inside here,
This one's nice here.
you could pay inside here $250 to $300 for a 2-bedroom.
Really?
To sell for what it should worth.
True.
Oh, and they got a job for you.
Okay, construction. Because the bank will not support these projects. Because
Why? Oh, because it's someone else's.
they have no title. They're owned by government. But how will the bank, if you renege on paying, how
Yeah.
would they be able to get back their money?
Exactly.
Good. So if you have a tangible title, the bank will seize and sell to somebody else.
Yeah.
eh?
Yeah.
Good. So,
All right.
so this is called Norwood, and in this the bypass.
Oh,
So if you don't want to
alright.
hit MontegoBay, you take this back road. And
You-
sometimes you're on this side and you want to go to Negril,
Yeah.
and going through the city holds you up for an hour. Swimming pool, air condition, everything is intact. Gardener and a maid to see everything being in place whilst you're here. Eh? Barracks for police and soldier.
Oh yes, I see.
Right, so they set up this outlet where they distribute the police
Okay.
all over to put things in place
Yeah.
so that we're not crime riddled anymore.
This is still considered Norwood.
The entire area is Norwood,
Okay.
but this is a development within Norwood.
Oh.
So they would call inside here Norwood Gardens. It's a part of the Norwood stretch, eh?
Yeah.
It has to be one of those tall pockets to be here, because none of these properties run into the millions. Stops where you will see monument and